Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Day number 16, let me call it Parabola Day. Parabola Day. Question number 46 reads as find the equation of the parabola when vertex and focus are given. Case number 1, when vertex and focus are given. Vertex and focus are given. Really easy to find. Look at this. Where lies the transition? Transition lies in abscissa, x coordinate. Transition lies in x coordinate, abscissa. Transition lies in x coordinate, abscissa. Then definitely square is going to be on y. Y square is equal to 4x because vertex is at origin. Y square is equal to 4ax. Transition in x, transition in x, square in y. Transition in x, square in y. Y square is equal to 4ax. Let me give you formula. Vertex plus a is equal to focus. Vertex plus a is equal to focus. Take the changing coordinate 0 plus 3. Vertex is 0 plus a, focus is equal to 3. So value of a is 3. Taking the changing coordinates, change in x square in y, change in x square in y, change in x square in y. Let me give you a formula. Vertex plus a is equal to focus. What is vertex? 0. Take changing coordinates, it's focus 3 and there is a. So a is equal to 3. Put here and it's your required answer. Y square is equal to 4 times a means 3 times x. Y square is equal to 12x is our answer in that case. Y square is equal to 12x is the answer in that case. Question number 2. Question number 2. Vertex is OO. Special case. Vertex is at origin. Focus O minus 6. Hunt the changing coordinate. Change in Y. Change in ordinate. Change in y, change in ordinate, square in x. Vertex is at origin, so x square is equal to 4ay is going to be the equation of this one. Vertex is the origin, x square is equal to 4ay. Y is square in x, change in y, square in x. Change in x, square in y. So again, utilize same formula. Vertex plus a is equal to focus. Vertex plus a is equal to focus. Take changing one, changing coordinate. At vertex 0 plus a, focus is equal to minus 6. So a is equal to minus 6. Put here, put in that x square is equal to 4. Value of a is negative 6 times y. So x square is equal to minus 24y. That's our answer in that case. Change in x, square in y. Change in y, square in x. Question number 2. It's case number 1 when vertex and focus are given. When vertex and focus are given. Case number 2, when focus and directrix are given. When focus and directrix are given, try to convert this point, this equation into point. Directrix is a line, convert this line into a point. Find value of x, x is equal to 2. So directrix is always denoted by x, L, x is equal to 2, write y as it is. There's only value of x is equal to, directrix is fixed at x is equal to, and y varies. Let's see and how. What is definition of parabola? Distance from fixed point focus is equal to distance from fixed line. Distance from fixed point is equal to distance from fixed line. Fixed point is known as focus, fixed line is known as directrix. Take any point, variable point, that's our locus of moving point xy. Apply distance formula on these two. X minus 2 whole square, applying distance formula. Y minus 2 whole square. That's distance between P and F. What about P and L? P and L. We have x minus 2, x2 y2 x1 x minus 2 whole square and y minus y whole square. To get rid of a square root, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, under root cancelled out, minus plus it's our x plus 2 whole square plus y square. There is x minus 2 whole square. Open up x square 2 times x2 plus 2 square plus y square. Here x square minus 2 times x2 plus 2 square. Here we have x square plus 2 to the 4x Square of 2 is 4 plus y square is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Shift them on one side, they are cancelled out. X square y square 4. Take 4x there. We are going to have a standard equation of parabola as y square is equal to minus 4x. It's also minus 4x. So y square is equal to minus 8x. Y square is equal to minus 8. That's our required answer. Whenever we have given directrix and focus, apply definition. Apply definition. Distance from fixed point is equal to distance from fixed line. Distance from fixed point is equal to distance from fixed line. Fixed point is known as focus. Fixed line is known as directrix. Try to convert the equation of directrix into a point. From here we can easily manage abscissa x is equal to y, leave it as it is variable. Take y as variable in order to utilize distance formula. Final question. These two questions based on elements and find equation. Vertex focus given, find equation of parabola. Find what focus and directrix given, equation of parabola. Here we have given equation of parabola and we are asked to find vertex, directrix and focus. Square in x, try to complete square. Try to complete square. X square plus 4x. Let me, okay. Let me split x. Coefficient of x square is 1. 4 can be written as 2 times x. 2 times x, there is 4. That's 2. 2 to the 4. Now from this we have idea twice. It's RA, it's RB. We need here b square. B square means 2 square. B square means 2 square. Shift these quantities there. Positive 4y plus 12. 2 square adding on both sides. This is the quantity to make this one perfect square. How I have managed? Coefficient of x square is 1. 4x can be written as twice first into second. Twice first into second. So second quantity is R2. Square of 2 adding on both sides. Shift minus 4 by 12 there. Now it's tantamount to x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square. X plus 2. Take the term first and third without square. Take the first and third without square and symbol of the twice one. X plus 2 whole square. And there is 4y plus 12 plus 4. Make coefficient of, okay, add me up 12, 4, 16. X plus 2 whole square. Taking 4 common, I have y plus 4. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 4y plus 2. Now we can easily manage vertex like center of the circle. Like center of the circle. Change the sign. There's positive 2, negative 2. Positive 4, negative 4. That's our vertex. Like equation center of circle, change their symbol. First take x coordinate, positive 2 means minus 2, positive 4, negative 4. That's our vertex. Whatever is the value of here, that's the coefficient of y, it is equal to 4a. 4a, length of lead spectrum, 4a is equal to 4. We can easily manage a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Utilizing same formula, vertex plus a is equal to focus, vertex plus a is equal to focus, keeping in mind the strategy change in x, square in y. Change in y, square in x. Utilizing these two, we are going to find our vertex. Focus. Focus is equal to vertex plus a. Our vertex is minus 2, minus 4, value of a is 1. Now question arises, where we have to add? Where we have to add? Either in x coordinate or y coordinate. Look, square in x, add and subtract in y. It must be added in y coordinate. So it's minus 2, minus 4 plus 1. So our focus is minus 2 comma minus 3. That's our focus is minus 2 comma minus 3. What about directrix? It's quite simple as well. Directrix is given by vertex minus a. Vertex minus a. Vertex minus a. Vertex minus a. We have vertex minus 2, minus 4. What is value of a? A is 1. Square in x, we have to add as well as subtract in opposite one, y. Square in x, we have to add as well as subtract in y. It will become minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. It will become minus 5. And directrix is a line. From point, we can easily convert point from point to a line. Minus 2, minus 5. Take only y coordinate, that's our directrix. Y is equal to minus 5. Or y plus 5 is equal to 0. That's our directrix. That's our directrix. Let me give you a good idea about axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Take the square term after completing square. That's our axis of symmetry or axis of parabola or line of symmetry. Axis of parabola or line of line of symmetry. That's our x plus 2 is equal to 0. That's our x plus 2 is equal to 0. That's my tiny effort on day number 16 to explain to you parabola. It's parabola day 1. We have attempted 3 to 4 questions in order to give you a good idea how to find equation from the elements vertex and focus and directus, and how we can manage all these elements from the given equation. It's my tiny effort on day number 16 for you guys. It's all by itself. Next.